Hi, Mr. X with glossary term fraction. Be aware that there's no single best way to think of a fraction. There's no single way to latch on to the idea of what a fraction is and say, okay, I've got it, it's a ratio. Yes, it's a ratio. It's also a portion of, it's also a quotient, it's also a percentage, it's also a division problem. There's no one way to look at a fraction. Let's consider a nice basic fraction like 3/4. All right, this lovely little fraction 3/4. On a number line, this number sits right about there. It's halfway between a half and a whole. 3/4 would sit right here on the number line, halfway between a half and a whole. How about 3 out of 4? Let's say 3 out of 4 dentists recommend sugarless gum. Then that would be 3/4 of the dentists. Well, if we walk 3 miles in 4 hours, that's exactly the same as 3/4 miles per hour. What if we considered a number like 7.75? We'll look at just the 0.75. This number, 7.75, is the same as 7 3/4. So the 0.75 by itself is 3/4. Now, how many different ways do you want to look at 3/4? Don't just settle on one. You need to settle on several. On the World Wide Web at MrXMath.com.